So we all know that water is good for us, but personally I don't like tap water, so I use a BRITA water filter. So this is my BRITA water review, and I also do a bit of a tutorial on how to use one. I'm Anne-Marie Pearman. So this is my BRITA water filter, and I'll start off by showing you how to change the cartridge. So it's nearly empty, so the indicator is there. So when it goes to nothing, you can't see a bar there anymore. It means you need to change the filter, but I'll just, as it's nearly empty anyway, I'll show you to give you a demonstration of how to change the filter. So take that off. Oops, take that out. And here's my box of water filters. And you just put that in there, put the lid back on top, and then you press the start when you've replaced the filter. Did you notice? You can see in the light, the thing goes up, and that's just to reset it so that you now know you've got a new filter in it. And it's as easy as that. I don't know about you, but I don't like water from the tap. The only way I can take water is through a filter. And also it's a lot cheaper in the long run than getting bottled water. So there you go. And obviously how to fill it up from the tap. And once it's done, and then it just filters through to the bottom of the jug. When it's finished filtering through, you've just helped yourself to your water. Some people keep it in the fridge. I tend to keep mine out of the fridge, mainly because I don't have enough room in the fridge, but I get through enough water so it won't go stale anyway. So there you go. There's my little demo for you. And you now have drinkable tap water. And if you want to buy one for yourself, the link is in the description below if you want to buy one for yourself for a filter jug and also for a filter cartridge.